In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enroll in Wells Fargo eStatements. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo mobile app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once we're logged in, navigate to the account dashboard and select the checking, savings, credit card, or other eligible account for which we would like to receive e-statements. Next, look for the statements and statements or document delivery preferences section. The exact location may vary slightly depending on whether you are using the mobile app or the website. Select the option to manage your statement delivery preferences. Choose electronic statements or e-statements instead of paper statements. If prompted, review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Confirm your enrollment by selecting Save, Submit, or Enroll. Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity with a one-time security code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Once your enrollment is complete, you will receive the future account statements electronically. You can then return to the statement section at any time to view, download, or print your available statements. And that's it, you have successfully enrolled in Wells Fargo eStatements. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.